Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting access. Launch the game and make sure your host or have the admin password for a dedicated server. Once done, open the console immediately. On PC, press Tab. On consoles, use the platform combo. You must authenticate next. Enter enable cheats followed by the server password, or use admin privileges in single player. Do this now so commands will register. Keep the console open and ready. Small typos will cause silent failures, so type carefully and confirm before sending commands. You'll now run useful commands. Start with admin cheat or cheat depending on server rules. That ensures permission. For items, use give a temnum ID QTY quality blueprint. For creatures, use summon creature BP. And for movement, use fly or walk to toggle. Use infinitestats to freeze hunger, stamina, and health for testing. Once done, run GCM to clear meshes or teleport to coordinates for exact placement. Make sure to test on a non-essential creature or small area so you understand effect. You finish by reversing temporary cheats and saving your world. Turn off fly or infinitestats when done, and use admin cheat save world on servers so changes persist. If you spawned items, move them to a secure container. That prevents accidental loss. One key troubleshooting tip. If a command fails, check spelling exactly, ensure you use the correct prefix, and confirm you have admin rights, then re-enter. If issues persist, restart the server or session. Many problems clear after a reload.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.